So we got Mary Jane from a pet store, and they set us up with a vet. I guess that they already work with. And we took her for her first little checkup, and they said she was fine, but if she develops a cough to bring her back. She did develop her little cough, so we took her back, and they did a little x-ray of her little chest and said that she had kennel cough, but it was already clearing up at the time. So they gave us this one medicine called doxycycline, and it says to give her 1/4 of a tablet twice a day, every 12 hours for 10 days. So I thought I was gonna have to chop the tablets up into little pieces, but they already came in the 1/4 pieces. This is her antibiotic to clear up her kennel cough. Give me that damn top, girl. And she doesn't really like the antibiotic, so I mix it in with her treats to get her to eat it. No, hold on, Muffin. Girl, you better calm down before you fall. No, it's right here. So I put the antibiotic. This doesn't always work, by the way, because she's kind of smart. I don't know. But I kind of just mix the antibiotic in her treat. And she's a fast eater, so she might just eat it. Oh, looks like she ate it. Every now and then she'll spit the antibiotic back out and eat the treat that's around it. It's all hilarious. Okay. Then they also gave us a cough syrup, and they put the little line here of where to fill the syringe up to. And she actually likes the cough syrup. Sipping on some scissors. So what I do is I just put the syringe in the cough medicine bottle. And there's my line. Upside down.
And keep it low. Bring it down lower, yeah.
Yeah. Fill it up to the line. Told you she likes the syrup. Sipping on some scissors. Oh. And then I just give it to her. She has no problem taking this. She'll lick the syringe clean. There you go, sugar mama. There you go. Sipping on some scissors. Sipping on some scissors. No more dumpling. No more till tomorrow. And that's it. She does that twice a day. Don't you fall off that couch, girl. Oh my God. She did not eat the antibiotic. It's right here. I told you she's smart. All right, let me try to put this with a treat again. Girl, Mary Jane, you have to take this antibiotic, pumpkin. I'm sorry. I know you think you're smart by not taking it, but you're only hurting yourself. All right, eat it, eat it. Eat the whole thing. Eat the antibiotic too, Muffin. Go ahead and swallow it. Did you swallow it? I think she did this time. Did you swallow it? Are you hiding it in so you can spit it out? Okay, I think you swallowed it. Good girl. Good girl. That's it.